Hi everyone, as I promised earlier, I will talk about scientific studies that evaluated the effectiveness of Shilajit on curing infertility issues. So this study was first published in 11th of January 2010 by Tuhin County Biswas Research Unit, J.B. Roy State Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital in India. The title of the study is Clinical Evaluation of Spermatogenic Activity of Processed Shilajit in Oligospermia. So spermatogenesis is the creation of sperms in the male body, and oligospermia is the condition of not having enough sperm count or at all. So they conducted this scientific study on 60 infertile men who were having this condition, and they gave them Shilajit twice a day over a period of 90 days. Only 28 men has finished the study. And it was confirmed that Shilajit is very effective in curing this condition. So let's go to the numbers. The total sperm count was increased by 61.4%. This is a significant increase in sperm count. Also, motility. Motility is how well the sperms are moving in an ejaculate sample. So motility was increased by up to 17.4%. And there is a condition called MDA content, which is a negative condition. It means basically imbalance between the antioxidants and the free radicals. And this negative condition was reduced by 18.7%. And finally, the serum testosterone has increased by 23.5%. Now, testosterone hormone is very important for all men, whether they want to have children or not. Testosterone is very important. And Shilajit has been proven to increase testosterone level. The final statement in the abstract of this study says, the present findings provide further evidence of the spermatogenic nature of Shilajit, as attributed in Ayurvedic medicine, particularly when administered as processed Shilajit. There is another study which was conducted on rats. So the first one was conducted on humans, but only men. It did not cover females. But this study covers both males and females, but on rats. This study was published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, Volume 107, Issue 3, 11th of October 2006, pages 349 to 353, if you want to refer to that study. And the title is The Spermatogenic and Ovogenic Effects of Chronically Administered Shilajit to Rats. So they had a group of rats, female and males. They were 7-week-old, and they tested them over a period of 6 weeks. And in the male rats, of course, both male and female in the administered group, they were given Shilajit orally, and they found that in the male rats, the number of sperms in the tests has increased significantly. And in the female group, ovulation was induced in 7 female rats out of 9, compared to only 3 out of 9 in the control group. So both studies confirmed that Shilajit is very effective in enhancing fertility. So if anyone is interested in improving their fertility, you might want to use Shilajit. Also, you can add Manuka honey to it because they enhance each other. But it is also advised that you consult with your doctor before you do so. For more information, please subscribe to our channel and visit our blog at goldenshilajit.com.au/blog. Thank you.